Hello students, myself Sonika Yadav from HCI and it is my lecture number 8 of the 9th biology class of the chapter 5, Why Do We Fall Ill? So today's my topic is disease caused by protozoa, that is the malaria disease, and the viruses, that is influenza, hepatitis. Some more viral disease also, but we discuss those diseases in the next lecture. So today I am going to start with the disease caused by a protozoa, that is malaria. So first of all, malaria बच्चा ये एक फेटल डिजीज है ह्यूमन हेल्थ के लिए. नियर अबाउट 3 मिलियन पीपल्स वर्ल्ड में एवरी ईयर मलेरिया से इन्फेक्ट हो रहे हैं और नियर अबाउट 2 मिलियन पीपल्स डाई होते हैं मलेरिया से एवरी ईयर. सो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बेटा, मलेरिया एक वेक्टर के थ्रू ट्रांसफर होने वाली डिजीज है. वेक्टर वो ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है जो बेटा डिजीज को ट्रांसफर करता है फ्रॉम इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टू अ हेल्दी पर्सन. सो वेक्टर को कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता जब वो डिजीज को ट्रांसफर कर रहा है. और मलेरिया डिजीज के लिए वेक्टर है दैट इज द फीमेल एनोफ्लीज mosquito. Female anopheles mosquito is vector for the malarial disease. So question is so many times asked, why females only, why not male? So पहली बात बेटा, male and female both suck plant juice for their growth and development. So male and female both fulfill their food requirement from the plant juice. So why female feed on the human body? So female feed on the human blood due to iron. फीमेल एनाफ्लीज को आयरन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है फॉर देयर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एग. दैट्स व्हाई फीमेल एनाफ्लीज मॉस्किटो बाइट द एनिमल्स. सो फीमेल एनाफ्लीज मॉस्किटो बाइट द एनिमल्स एंड इट take the malarial parasite into the mouth and then transfer those malarial parasite into a healthy person from an infected person. So malaria disease is caused by a protozoa, that parasite is Plasmodium, and this disease transferred by the bite of an insect, that is the female anopheles mosquito, which feed on the human blood. Male anopheles mosquito feeds upon plant juice. What are the symptoms? Symptoms of the malaria include headache, nausea, muscular pain and high fever. Malarial attack is 6 to 10 hours duration that consists of 3 stages. Cold stage, इस स्टेज में बेटा बहुत ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम ठंड लगेगी और शिवरिंग होगी, बॉडी कांपेगी. हॉट स्टेज, हाई फीवर आएगा, रेट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन एंड हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाएगी. देन लास्ट वन इज द स्वेटिंग स्टेज, और लास्ट में प्रोफ्यूज स्वेटिंग होगी, बॉडी में बहुत ज्यादा पसीना आएगा, बॉडी का टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. ओके, सो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जो मलेरिया है उसमें सेकेंडरी जो इफेक्ट आएगा वो आता है बेटा लीवर एंड स्प्लीन पर, इसकी एनलार्जमेंट हो जाती है. मलेरिया को डिटेक्ट किया जाता है बाय ब्लड टेस्ट. बेटा हाउ टू प्रिवेंट मलेरिया. सो सबसे पहले जो मलेरिया है वो ट्रांसफर हुई बाय द वेक्टर, सो वी हैव टू प्रिवेंट द वेक्टर एंड वेक्टर इज द फीमेल मॉस्किटो. सो फीमेल मॉस्किटोज को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम अपने डोर्स को क्लोज रखेंगे, रूम को वायर गेज वगैरह से, और एंट्री ऑफ मॉस्किटो को रोकेंगे. मॉस्किटो रैपेलेंट क्रीम्स यूज करेंगे, मॉस्किटो नेट के अंदर हम सोएंगे. और हम अगर हमारे घर के आसपास कोई लार्ज वाटर बॉडी है So that time we introduce larvivorous fish, that is Gambusia or the minnow, जो feed करेगी बेटा larvae पे. Then biological control हो सकता है mosquitoes का. And we also use some chemicals like DDT or to spread around our homes and kill the mosquitoes. And we can destroy the breeding season of the mosquitoes. So next one is how to control malarial disease, that is treated by a drug that is the quinine. Quinine is obtained from Cinchona bark. Cinchona bark that help in the treatment of the malarial patient. So that quinine is considered as anti-malarial drug, or we can say vaccine. The next one is disease caused by viruses. So first is influenza. Influenza is commonly known as flu. Influenza virus, that is the myxovirus influenzae, it exists in three types: A, B and C. A and B are the important because they are epidemic disease in the world. These diseases transfer with the nose, throat and the upper respiratory tract by sneezing, coughing or by sharing of the hankies and different items which are used for the sanitation of an infected person. These diseases, especially flu, that show some symptoms like discharge of the nose, headache, muscular pain, cough. These diseases, they are cured by taking some anti-influenzal vaccines, or it prevented by taking distances or keep away from the flu patients. The next one is the jaundice, or we can say hepatitis. Jaundice is this is a disease which attack the liver. Liver is very important organ of our body which help in the digestion of the fat molecule. But due to the attack on the liver, inflammation mainly on the liver. Jaundice, that is caused by the viral infection, that is hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis disease are of 5 different types, that is hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. The most dangerous disease is hepatitis B because it contains the virus which having the DNA as genetic material. All other diseases like A, C, D and E, they contain the RNA as genetic material. The hepatitis or the jaundice, it can transfer with the help of the contaminated food and water. So hepatitis A, that is infectious hepatitis that transfer as an acute infection which takes short time period for their treatment, and this disease is mainly transferred with the help of fecal oral route. So by taking contaminated food, milk and water, this disease can transfer. What are the symptoms? So in jaundice, the first one, high temperature or fever, headache, general weakness and pain in the joints. Yellow urine due to the excess secretion of the bile pigment, and eyes, white part that turn into yellow, nails that turn into yellow. How to prevent? So hepatitis A prevent by taking the chlorinated water or boiled water, and proper sanitation, or we can say proper cleaning of the hands after handling food, vessels and the bed of the patient. Hepatitis A vaccine should be taken to prevent the disease. How to control? This is a viral disease, so there is no antibiotic is used for this disease. Only interferons they are advised by the doctor. So first, jaundice patient should take high calorie diets like juice of the sugarcane and radish with jaggery, or we can say good. So the patient of the jaundice that should limit the protein and fat. They cannot take fat in their daily diet. Hepatitis B. It is also known as serum hepatitis, or we can say transfusion hepatitis. बच्चा ये डिजीज सबसे ज्यादा डेंजरस है. इट इज मोर डेंजरस देन एड्स बिकॉज this disease caused by hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B virus have a specialty that DNA is double stranded, or we can say this disease can transfer by the sexual route. So it is considered as sexually transmitted disease. It can transfer through the semen, saliva. Hepatitis B, it affect the liver, and it is a chronic active disease which damage the liver cells, or it may convert the normal liver cells into the cancerous liver cells. Infection of hepatitis B virus can be prevented by avoiding risky practices such as free, or we can say unprotected sexual contact with the sexual partners, and it can be avoided by the transfer of the semen from other body fluid, or we can say patient of the hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B vaccine should be taken to prevent this disease. So these are the three diseases we discussed today. First one is the malaria. Malaria is a protozoal disease. Influenza, and the last one is the hepatitis, or in other word jaundice. हिंदी में बेटा इसे पीलिया कहते हैं. बॉडी मोस्टली पीली पड़ जाती है इस पे. स्किन का पीला होना, आईज का व्हाइट पार्ट पीला होना, और नेल्स का पीला होना, ये कुछ स्पेशल फीचर्स हैं इसमें. और बेटा डिजीज से अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होगा? साफ सफाई का ध्यान रखना होगा. सैनिटेशन, पर्सनल हाइजीन एज वेल एज दी कम्युनिटी हाइजीन इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe at home. Thank you so much.